All right, guys, we're outside of one of my favorite stores in a place that I think all of you should have a membership if you consider your health and wellness. So we're gonna go inside, take a look at some of my favorite go-to products for health, wellness, and lifelong happiness. All right, guys, back in the produce section. It is right near the bakery, so you have to use all of your willpower to stay away from the baked goods. But right now I'm getting baby spinach, mushrooms, and this salad mix. And I'm also enjoying this amazing air conditioning, which I am not in most of the time. But I'll show you the cart here in a second. Uh-oh, can't show you over here. My film person is over here. She can block out her head with the salad mix though, and I can show it to you. So that's my go-to salad mix. And then my other thing that I've been getting a lot of, mixed greens. About a quarter of the price if you go to a regular grocery store. Alright guys, so here it is, sweet kale gourmet salad. So you can make this, but I like to just buy it, and I'm going to show you in a later video what I put on it to make it taste amazing. But this is the one that I purchased. Now remember, Costco is regional, so it may not be in every store. So keep that in mind. It may not be there, but doesn't mean you can't ask them to get it. You might be able to get in the loop. All right guys, here's what I go for. Flank steak. They have all kinds of steak, but this is the cheapest, and I think it tastes the best. Also get the organic beef, and then for some reason I don't see the bison, so we'll have to check to see, make sure if they have that. All right, well I found the bison, and it happens to be on sale. I've never seen meat on sale before, but it's limit 1 per person. So I'm gonna have to only get 1 pack, but I saved $2, so that's like $8 a pound, which makes it about the same price as the grass-fed bison. So check it out. I love to get at Costco kombucha. There are, how many in here? 6 for $14, so a lot lower price point. Delicious low sugar treat. Great price point. Also at my Costco here, they have pink Himalayan sea salt. This is I think this is 5 pounds. So this will probably last me maybe a couple years. And good thing, salt doesn't go bad. I don't know if you know this, salt used to be more valuable than gold. So in case something bad happens, this is potentially a great ROI. Here's 2 options at Costco. They have Wild Planet albacore tuna, and this is a great option if you're looking to add some quick and easy protein. Maybe add it to a salad or make tuna salad. I like to do that a lot. And then these Wild Catch sardines, a lot fishier. They're in olive oil, but both of these are about $10. I think this is $9.99, and that's $14.99, but it's on sale right now for $10.99. So a great option if you're looking for some on-the-go protein. And compare this to Whole Foods, the price point is about 30 to 40% less. So just if you're picking up a few of these products, it can save you your membership dues almost immediately in like a month or so. So just give it some thoughts. Let me know what you think below of these options, and hope this helps. All right, guys, I'm going to give you a recap of all the things I bought. It was $154. Some things that you won't see. There was some that I'm not going to eat, some dates, and some popcorn. So that's included that $154. I don't eat those things, but we were there and we got them. So first thing, kombucha, little treat. This Gingerade, one of my favorites. This GT's kombucha, I really like it, and it only has 6 grams of sugar. Next thing, I went with some wild catch tuna. This was on sale, $10.99, and I really like this, and I like to make, especially in the summer when it's really hot, I'm not always in the mood for warm food, especially in lunch and dinner. Then I got a pack of flank steak. This is the USA Choice. So they also have prime and other higher cuts of meat. So if you really want to go out for the 4th of July and get those higher end meats, I really like Costco, and it's a lot better price point. Not grass fed with the steaks, but I don't really, in all that saying, I don't mind grass fed beef. I don't really like the taste of grass fed, non-dry aged steaks. So if you're at a restaurant, that's just my personal opinion. It's a little, I mean, it's very expensive, and I don't think it tastes that great, and I use it as kind of a treat. So just something to think about. I also got the bison, just because it was on sale, and I'm gonna make that burger. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it, and you guys can check it out. So, peppers. These are a great deal. Like, one of these colored peppers is probably $2, and this whole thing's $7. So they're like $1.20 each. So you're saving like 80 cents a pepper. Same with mushrooms. Love mushrooms. I had a bag of onions, and then I get this slaw. 3 bags of that. Going. This is not all for me. We'll be eating this with some friends. So you could make this, but I just like to buy it and then make some, there's some dressing in here, but I make my own, and I'll show you guys what that is. Then I got 5 pounds of Himalayan sea salt. That was like $6, super cheap. Avocados, there's 6 for $5, another great deal. This spring mix, I mix up between the spring mix and the baby spinach, both organic. I think both are under $5 for this big tub. So this is like 1 pound. Then I love making tacos and fajitas. So obviously this is gonna last me a while. I use this. This will last a while. There's like 3 pounds of these. So I can put some of these in the freezer. And the last little treat I got, a pack of cherries. So I'll eat these for like a dessert after dinner. They're delicious, maybe with a kombucha. Now, a couple other things that I love buying at Costco and I think are great options for people that are trying to, eat healthy. Nuts are really great there. They're really great pricing, and I usually buy the almonds and cashews are my personal favorite, but they have a pretty wide variety. Also get some sausage. They have some great choices for sausages and cheeses, and I also get eggs in addition to that, and I will buy coffee there from time to time. But for the most part, I do have to go to the grocery store sometimes. I have purchased like potatoes and onions there, but for me, I'm not eating enough of them before they go bad. So I don't get everything there, but I do get the majority of the food there, and I think that it can lower your cost for eating healthy significantly. And they're not paying me to say this, and it's not really conveniently located where we live. So it's for us, I have to be a little bit more diligent and plan things out and look at that. But for me, it's worth it because I can eat a lot better and feel a lot better and have more money to do other things in life. And for me, it's worth it. I don't think going to Whole Foods it doesn't save you money and you're not getting better quality food. I think that's a misconception that a lot of people have, that what is there is healthier. That's just simply, it can be healthier, but I think that it's so easy to go in there and just think that this is from this grocery store and it's healthier, and it's not. There's sugar in all of it. So the same with Costco. You have to know what you want, and I stick to kind of this outline. So wherever you're going, whatever grocery store is, you can do some other things. I'm going to show you guys some other tips that I have and tricks to save money and still be able to eat healthy and have the food taste really good. I think that's going to be the overlying message for you guys. So I'll update you the next time I head to the grocery store. And as always, thumbs up the video, like, and subscribe.